Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new Retekess radio. It's AM and FM, the TR624 radio. Little clear case. Let me get this out of the way. It does not come with that mount there. Check that out. See the innards there? Belt clip right there. Uses two AAA batteries. AM and FM. This is tuning knob, AM and FM selection. And then on this side, we have the on-off and the volume knob. In the top, we have the earbud port. Now, this does not have a speaker. So you have to use earbuds or an external amplified speaker, which is what I'm going to use to illustrate the reception capability. So it comes with these clear earbuds. And I'm going to use I got it back here, my Texan H-501X, which has an auxiliary input line. I'm going to hook that up right now. Oops. And then I'm going to hook that to the output of the radio, and then you'll be able to hear the reception. Okay, we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to turn Texan on, and we will go to, we're on AM mode. We'll turn the volume up some, try to keep the reflections down. And then we'll turn it, let's turn the volume down for a second. I'm going to turn all the way to the end of the band. And now we're at the end of the band. And what's interesting, it's got this interesting dial pointer. See, it comes over here, and as you tune it, that pointer wraps around the tuning knob. You'll see it in action. So here we go. Try to keep the glare off. Turn the volume up.
Well, should this guy, does this guy deserve it? Is he taking a spot from nobody else?
Picks up a lot of stations. And this is in my office with a lot of RF noise. Turn that up a little bit more. Locks right in.
And what were we doing?
Tuning is real smooth. See how that red dial band is wrapping around here? Interesting mechanization. So let's go to FM. So it has no speaker. You have to use earbuds or an amplified radio like I'm using right now. Go on FM. Nice and clear.
The following are to be
Tuning is real smooth. Lots of music.
6539. If you need electrical. Hello.
Really locks in.
Hello. Hello. He then turned to the family dog, who was not protecting the house very well, and asked if it
was.
You're only halfway through the band.
TRRS. Southbound 275 at lowest erect, 3 left lanes blocked and
It's too difficult. Go get the quarterback. All right, we just heard from the race. Joey Wendell's going to join.
need a plan. Plus, Spectrum delivers
Cash. Visit DuncanDuo.com.
At the original mattress factory.
And then she been noticing. Hey, trying to quench you.
We're still a long ways from the end of the band.
say that person is unhealthy and don't bother to do that.
Okay, so remember that for FM, it's using the earbud cable for an antenna. You can see down in this side there. And right now on Amazon, this is on sale for $10 with an additional 5% discount. Now this thing's pretty small. Let me get my tape out here. So it's about 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. And it's very light. It's stated to only weigh 2.5 ounces. I don't know if that's with the batteries or without. I would say that's without. Pretty neat. You can see the integrated circuits in there. Check this out. I think you'd like to have one of these, either for yourself or as a gift. Make a great gift, especially for maybe a youngster or something, and show them, you know, the internal parts of radios and stuff like that. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.